How to get Amadeus in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to unlock Amadeus, the Gen 1 infantry hero, in Kingshot. He's exclusive and not available through regular gameplay. You can only get him by ranking in the top 10 during the Hall of Governors event, which is limited time competition where players race to earn the most points. The event only runs once per generation, and if you miss it, your only option afterwards is to wait for a VIP special pack. Those are seasonal cost real money. Amadeus packs often disappear once Gen 1 ends, so the event is your best chance. He's especially strong for infantry compositions thanks to his born leader talent that buffs lethality and health for your troops. So if you want Amadeus, focus hard during the Hall of Governors, join rallies, optimize your resource spending, grind event tasks, and sink as many points as you can until the event closes. After that, it's pay to play or wait indefinitely.